Did you know that eggs contain about 6 grams of protein each? They're often seen as the gold standard for building muscle and staying healthy. But what if I told you there are foods that have even more protein per serving? And in some cases, they're cheaper, more versatile, and just as easy to prepare? If you're trying to gain muscle, stay full longer, or simply eat smarter without breaking the bank, this video is for you. Stay until the end, because the last food on the list might surprise you. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more science-based nutrition tips that actually make a difference in your life. Now let's get into the top 5 protein-packed foods that beat the egg. 1. Chickpeas, the plant-based protein. Powerhouse chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are one of the most underrated sources of plant-based protein. Just 1 cup of cooked chickpeas delivers about 15 grams of protein, more than 2 eggs combined. But it's not just the protein that makes chickpeas stand out. They're also rich in fiber, iron, and complex carbohydrates, which help you feel full for longer and support sustained energy. Perfect if you're trying to avoid constant snacking. And the best part? Chickpeas are incredibly versatile. You can throw them into salads, blend them into hummus, roast them for a crunchy snack, or even shape them into high-protein burgers. Quick tip: for a simple muscle-fueling snack, mix chickpeas with olive oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of sea salt. Ready in under 5 minutes. So if you're looking to cut back on animal products or just want a budget-friendly protein, chickpeas are a powerful alternative to eggs. 2. Lentils, small in size, huge in protein. Don't let their tiny size fool you. Lentils are nutritional giants. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils contains around 18 grams of protein, which easily beats out 3 eggs. In addition to being rich in protein, lentils are packed with iron, magnesium, and dietary fiber. That means they don't just help with muscle growth, they also support your metabolism, heart health, and digestion. What makes lentils even more amazing is how quick and easy they are to prepare. Unlike most beans, they don't require soaking, and they cook in about 20 minutes. Plus, they absorb flavors beautifully, making them a perfect base for soups, stews, and even veggie tacos. Quick tip: cook lentils with turmeric, garlic, and cumin for a protein-rich anti-inflammatory boost that's perfect for meal prep. And here's a bonus: they're one of the cheapest sources of protein out there, making them ideal for anyone eating healthy on a budget. 3. Canned tuna, the high-protein, high-value champion. If you're looking for maximum protein with minimum prep, canned tuna is tough to beat. Just 100 grams of canned tuna in water delivers a whopping 25 to 30 grams of protein. That's the equivalent of 5 eggs. Tuna isn't just a protein bomb, it's also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation, support brain function, and protect your heart. For anyone focused on fitness, tuna is a clean, lean, muscle-building machine, and it's incredibly convenient. No need to cook, no mess. Just open the can and go. Mix it with avocado, throw it in a salad, or stuff it in a whole grain wrap for a high-protein lunch in minutes. Quick tip: choose tuna packed in water instead of oil to keep it leaner, and add lemon juice and herbs to boost flavor without the calories. It's shelf-stable, affordable, and powerful. Definitely a protein source that deserves a permanent spot in your pantry. 4. Greek yogurt, protein with a gut health bonus. Greek yogurt isn't just a creamy treat, it's a protein powerhouse. A single 170-gram, 6-ounce serving of plain Greek yogurt contains about 17 to 20 grams of protein, easily outpacing 3 eggs in protein content. But what makes Greek yogurt even more special is that it's rich in probiotics, the good bacteria that support your gut health, digestion, and even immune system. It's also a great source of calcium and B vitamins, making it a well-rounded food for bone health and energy metabolism. And the versatility? Off the charts. You can eat it straight, mix it with fruit and nuts, use it as a smoothie base, or even substitute it for sour cream or mayo in recipes. Quick tip: go for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars. Add honey or berries for natural sweetness and an antioxidant kick. If you're looking for a high-protein snack that also improves your digestion, Greek yogurt is a double win. 5. Cottage cheese, slow-digesting, muscle-building fuel. Cottage cheese might not be flashy, but it's one of the most underrated protein sources out there. Just half a cup, about 113 grams, contains around 14 grams of protein, putting it on par with 2 eggs, but with a unique edge. It's especially rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles for hours. That makes cottage cheese a perfect pre-bedtime snack if you're looking to support overnight muscle recovery and prevent muscle breakdown. It's also low in fat and carbs, especially the low-fat varieties, which is ideal for those on a high-protein, low-calorie diet. Quick tip: add chopped almonds and cinnamon for a protein-rich snack that satisfies both your hunger and your sweet tooth. Cottage cheese is easy to digest, quick to serve, and one of the best-kept secrets in the fitness world. Conclusion: protein gains without breaking the bank. So there you have it, 5 protein-packed foods that not only rival the egg, they beat it. And whether you're trying to build muscle, lose weight, or simply eat healthier, these options give you more variety, more nutrients, and in many cases, more value for your money. Here's a quick recap. Chickpeas, great for plant-based power and meal versatility. Lentils, fast cooking, high protein, and budget-friendly canned tuna. Pure protein and omega-3s in a can. Greek yogurt, protein plus gut-friendly probiotics. Cottage cheese, ideal for slow, steady muscle repair. Final tips: combine different sources for complete amino acid profiles. Always read nutrition labels. Some brands sneak in added sugars or oils. Prep in advance so you're never left reaching for low-protein snacks. Now it's your turn. Which of these protein heroes do you already use? Have any go-to high-protein meals that save you time and money? Drop it in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share with a friend, and subscribe for more science-based nutrition insights that keep your health on track and your wallet happy. Stay strong, stay smart, and keep fueling your body right.